Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this walk by text reveal effect on CapCut PC. So actually I'm just going to speed it up a little bit because it is pretty slow. Okay, I think that's good enough, and I'm just going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to select cutout, and I'm going to select auto cutout. Then I'm going to add in my text, and I'm just going to type in the word colorful maybe, and I'm also going to change the colors one by one on this. So just give me a sec. Whoops. That is not showing up how I want it to show up, but that's fine. And let's pick, whoops, I don't know why I decided to change the font as well, but I'm not, don't worry. Let's do like this color. I don't know. Yeah, sure, why not? And I'm going to adjust the text, and I'm going to place it, I guess, like down here until here. Okay, so I'm then going to right click, create compound clip on the text, go to mask, and I'm going to select horizontal, and I'm going to rotate it this way, and I'm going to place the line here. Then I'm going to add in a keyframe, and when she's like right about here, have that there, and then here, actually you have to like do it frame by frame. Hold on. So like here, I'm going to move that there. It is a little bit tedious, I'm just gonna say that right now, but it is super worth it. It just looks a little bit more accurate if you kind of do it like frame by frame, even though it is super tedious. Let me just say that. And I think that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!